Oh, and look! This is a big Avani. In a big house again. Look! This is how it looks. At the table? Okay, now to the bed. Look, this is a nice bed. Okay. It has pictures and lanterns. Oh, what has it got? Nice, right? Well, this is the bathroom.
The first bathroom.
Yeah, the first bathroom.
Okay.
It has a shower only.
Okay. Then we have another room opposite.
Now
Oh, okay.
we are going here. Wow, it's so windy today. Okay. Next, the hallway. Okay, this is the hallway. Oh, here is my brother and father.
Say hi, brother and father.
Yum, 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 yum.
Okay.
My coffee.
Okay. Shen, continue.
There is, phone. Here has a phone too, and a lantern too, and this thing. This bed has another picture. Okay. This bathroom has a shower and a bathtub. Come see. It's so nice that it's so near to the window.
So tonight you're going to have a bubble bath?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's right.
Okay.
Okay.
Then there's another outdoor balcony, right?
Our best thing is only one chair. Oh, here got something. Okay, lie down. To lie down like a sofa. Can I lie down? Okay. Okay. It has one chair and one ladder and one safety thing when you're drowning. Then the thing falls down. Okay, that's the end of the video. Bye-bye.